So hey guys, hello there. Once again, welcome back to our channel ARTV Shagun. This is your friend Shagun, and here I am with something really interesting for all of you guys. So basically guys, I just bought few of the new things, as I told you in my previous video that I'm going to get few of the new things from Amazon. So here I am with all those products, and let me clear that all the product that I'm going to, not all, only two. So yes, the two product that I'm going to show you guys, their product, or you can say purchase link, would be there in description box. So from there you can go and buy these products. So yes, first of all, let me clear that what are the things that I bought. So I bought things like in the few of the gap of the days. So yes, earlier I showed you this video that was for that sketchbook one. So yes, and now I have received a few of the more new products. I think this video will be a bit late to get upload. So yes, and let me tell you that what are the things that I basically bought. So here is the very first thing onto your screen, and this is what we call Faber-Castell School Essential Kit, and this was for 99 rupees only. And the next thing that I bought was this thing. So this is the Doms 14 color pencil colors. So yes, this is a 10 pack. I think this was for 75 rupees. I will definitely mention the right price on the screen. So yes, now without any further delay, let me show you all those products that I bought. So here they are in real. This is how they look. So yes, this is their very first look. You can watch it. So yes guys, here they are, and basically let me show you that the very first product that I just got. So this is the very first one. I bought this Doms one. So this is Doms 14 color. Okay, wait for a second. This is Doms 14 color, pencils. So yes, I bought it from Amazon, and here it is. Basically I got a taped roll around over here. I just tore it out because you know what, it create problem when you are opening that into the video. So yes, इसलिए मैंने उसे पहले से open कर रखा है. So yes, here let me open this cap. Now here it is product. So first of all, we get this kind of foam placed over here, and you might be able to see the scratches, not scratches, those holes of the pencil tips. So yes, and here are the pencils. Okay, basically I forgot to show you all the information written on here, so let me show you those things first. So it is all written over here. Wait for a second, it's focusing. So yes, just 1 second guys. So yes guys, here is all the information. You all might be able to see them. So yes, it is for 75 rupees, written all these things, quantity, and then product, and a few of the more things. So yes, here are the pencils, and basically guys, I just love them. So let me show you that how it looks when we open it. So what are the shades we are going to get inside it? So guys, I just had an accident with this black one, and you might be able to see its tip is completely broken. So yes, and let me clear that here are the pencils. So these are the shades that you will be getting in this pack. So yes, it's like all the shades of blue, then 2 of the green, and you know what, it just says that it includes 2 of the new color, that are the silver and gold. I was super excited to see that whether they are good or not, but let me show you that what they actually look like. So basically when they showed it into the the box, it was like more brighter one, and in real they are not that bright as I just thought it to be. So yes, here it is. You all might be able to see it. So yes, and I would be creating videos with these pencils, so there I will definitely show you that how they blend and how all these things happens. And earlier I have already showed you a kind of a red video of the Doms color pencils, where I have showed you the quality and the blending quality and all these things in my previous video. So if you haven't watched that video, that is this one. So I will provide you the link for this video below in the description box. From there you can watch out this video. So yes, from there you will get that how this quality of these pencils are. And basically इसमें सारे वही शेड्स है जो हमें पिछले कलर पैक में मिल रहे थे. That was the Doms 10 pack of 12 colors, I think so. And इसमें हमें 2 colors extra मिले, that is the silver and gold. So you can say that I just bought this pack for only this silver and gold one. So yes, and I think there is a few change again. I think there are few of the changes in color scheme again. I'm finding this one a bit new into this complete box. So yes, I think there was white at the place of this skin one. So yes, I liked it a lot. And yes, here it is. This was all about this product, because you know what, I have already showed you the number of things related to this product. Like I've showed you a review for this complete pencils in my previous video. The quality is exact same, only the difference is like the packaging and a few of the color shades. So it's nothing too much change in this product, only the colors and the packaging. So yes, this was the very first product. And the second thing that I got, I don't know guys why, whenever I bought like things related to domes, I definitely get one of the product out of those to be of Faber-Castell. So yes, again I am here with a Faber-Castell product. So this is a school essential, is like a complete kit. So yes, my first series, I don't know what does this mean. So yes, it says that it's for ₹99 only. So yes, and this is how the packaging is. Okay, here a few of the information. You can stop the video and read the things. Let me first of all tell you that what are the things that we are going to get. So it's come under net quantity. So 5 number of writing pencil, 1 eraser, 1 text liner, 1 number of 15 centimeter ruler, and 5 number of FX light pen. So 1 sharpener and 1 multi marker fine. Individual piece not intended for retail sale. Okay. So yes, this is all, and as I told you that it's for 99 only. So yes, now it's time to open it. So yes, first of all, it's written something over here. Let me read it, what it's written over here. So it's written pencil, eraser, sharpener. This school kit has it all you need to get through your semester with flying colors. Now highlight what's important, write down your notes, ideas, and mark the difference. So yeah, these are a few of the things written over here. So let me just put all these products just onto my table like this. Okay, so here are all the products. Let me keep this packet aside, and here we are getting number of things. So the very first thing coming in my hand is this, a Faber-Castell 15 centimeter ruler. So let me open it and show you that how it looks. So this is like those regular ruler, nothing else. It's not too different than other. So here it is, the ruler, and this is the simple one. So yes, this is the ruler, first product. Then comes this dust free okay, it's the dust free clean eraser. So yeah, here we get the eraser, and here this is the eraser. Now the next thing that comes is this Faber-Castell pencil sharpener. Oh, I got this pink shade. Basically I don't like to use these pink colors, so yes, but still I got them. So yeah, and here we are with multi marker. So yes, and I have already showed a complete review for these marker in few of my previous video. I think that you all could have watched it out, and if you haven't watched it, you know where you have to go. You have to go in the description box. From there you will get the link for this product. So yes, from there you can watch this product. I have already shared a review for this, and where I got 4 different colors of them. That was a complete pack of these Faber-Castell multi markers. So yes, from there you can watch it. So yeah, this was all about this product. So moving up next, now here comes this. I have heard a lot about this text liner, and I never bought it because you know what, for me it's like of no use. I don't like to use these text liner. I basically use my Camlin, those brush nib markers, for just underlining the things or just highlighting the things. So yes, and yeah, here it is. So it says that it's the text liner, and I think this is with, okay, this is the with chisel nib. So yes, here it is. I think, wait for a second, let me focus this, guys. Actually my camera is not focusing. So guys, here it is with the chisel nib, and it's of that regular neon one. So yes, here it is, and the color and the thing is all like this. You may compare this with my hand. So yes, this is how it looks like. Now coming up next, we get the 5 number of these pencils. So let me tell you that what these pencils basically are, and let me take this one. So it says that it's the matte Faber-Castell 2B pencils, and I think it's very dark, I think so. Here it is, complete look. Okay, I'm trying to just focus onto these pencils, but they are so small, like my camera. So yes, here they are, matte Faber-Castell 2B pencils. I think that you all would be able, and the length is like those of the normal pencils. So yes, and we get 5 of them. So yes, it would be long to use these pencils. I think I would be using them for few of drawings if I found them a good option. So yes, and here is this 5FX light ball pen. So I'm using them, or you can say I'm buying them for the very first time. I haven't used them in my life till now. So yeah, and there are 3 color option available in this, like blue, black, and that regular red. So yes, here are a few of the things written for this product. You can stop the video and just read these things. So yes, and yeah, let me open this pencil and share that how they look and how they feel like. So yeah, here they come. So I'm also getting this 5 in number. I like this option that we are getting 5, but I think rather than giving us these 5 number, I think they would have provided us 2 black and 2 blue and 1 red. I don't know why I'm just saying this, but I think this would have been a good option, because in that pack we would have got all the colors that are like required for us, rather than that red one. So yeah, and here it is. Let me show you this single pencil. I don't know why the things are slipping down from my hand. So this is the very first pen. Okay, here it is, and I think this is good. I would like to try it somewhere. So yes, wait for a second, let me bring in my paper and show you that how this. So guys, here I am with this of my pen, and I'm just about to try it out, and I want to see that how the highlighter and other things work over here. So let me try all these things over here. So yes, here comes the pen. So basically I would like to write this things. I think it's not working. Okay, A. So here it is, and I think it's like those normal pens, but I think the darkness of this pen is not like those of the normal ones. So yeah, here is the one stroke of this FX one. So let me bring out another pen and show you that how other pens act against it. So guys, for the comparison, I bought this pen. This is from Win, and this is complete look. So yes, I don't know why they have printed it something like this, but this pen is in trend right now. Basically all the students who are studying and using pens like ball pen, they are in love with these pens. I don't know how the demand of these pens just expanded, and nowadays you will find every single child using these kinds of pens. So yes, let me write the same thing. And okay, for me, I think this is a bit more darker than this. So here it is, the clear difference between the color. I think this one is more dark as compared to this Faber-Castell one. So yeah, I hope that you all would have understand the darkness of this pen, and if you like to use these kind of medium dark pens, so you can go for this, but rather than you can go with these Wins one also. I am using them from a very long time. I like to use them a lot. So yeah, and here comes the text liner. I don't know how they are going to react on these pens, but let me try them. So here they are, and let me try this over here. I think the quality is good. They are good one. So yeah, this is how they acted. And now it's time for these one. I have already showed you the review, but let me show you this one again. So I'm going to try these one. Okay, 1 second. These multi markers. So this is the blue one. So again, they are always working like they're same. So yeah, this was all about this one. And I think I must also try this Faber-Castell 2B matte one. And let me test it. First of all, I have to sharp that, so let me sharp it up. Okay, so guys, the sharpener went really great. I liked it. It sharpened things good. So yeah, and it's time to open this also. I'm going to test each and every single thing I found in this kit. So let me open this also. And here we are with this eraser. I'm also going to test whether they are dust free or not. So yeah, and it's time to write something with this pencil or do something. So okay, sorry for the camera positioning. I just write it. Time to test the eraser. I think the clear result is just in front of you guys. I must take you closer to this. So wait for a second, let me focus this, guys. You all might be able to watch that. What I just want to show you is it's still not erased, it's not dust free. So yeah, these are the things that I just wanted to show. And I have already showed you, I think, all of the products under this pack. I just tested them out. I like the pencil quality also, and I think everything in this complete kit was really great. And things inside it was like a complete pack for a normal child. So yeah, if you want to buy something like this, you can definitely go for these kinds of things. And yes, let's go back to your main position. So yes guys, this was all about all these products. I have tested all the things inside the pack, from pens and from the marker to the pencils. So yeah, and even I have shown you the test of the pencil eraser, text liner and other things. So yes, this was all about these products, and I hope that you all would have enjoyed this video, and I hope that you all would have loved this product. And if you like this product, you know where you have to go. You have to go below in the description box. From there you are going to get the product link for all these products, from domes to the Faber-Castell. Yes, and if it would be possible, I will be providing you the individual product links also. And like someone want to buy pencils, a pen or something else, then I will definitely try to provide you the link. And I hope that you all would have enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to my channel. So yeah, this was the video all about. I hope that you all would have liked it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day ahead.